to comment, like, and subscribe. Hey, what's up YouTube? So what's happening today? Today we decided to go all out. I'm gonna take the 87 SALEEN FOXBODY there with the 347 stroker motor. It's got the Renegade AFR heads on it, Vortex supercharger at 15 pounds of boost, and a TKX 5-speed on E85 with a Holley Terminator X computer. Previously over at Josh's Dyno, we made 2 pulls. It made 550 horse and like 530, 540 torque. And I called it a day. I said, we're done. Since then I came home, I realized it only had 14 degrees of timing in it. So I decided to put a little bit more timing in it. We're gonna go back today. The weather's a little different, it's a little warmer, more humid today, but we're gonna see if we can go higher than that today. Why not? So stay tuned as I take the car and go over there and we're gonna dyno it again today. Found a blown fuse on my electric fans. Luckily I had one, I changed it. It's working now. I don't know why it blew, it's a 50 amp. I got a 100 amp in it now, so hopefully it'll help it. We'll let it cool down and we'll go on back to the on the road. Nice and cool now, 175 degrees. So it's all working good. Now we're back. So a couple little tricks before we get started. I had ice on the intake and inlet pipe to cool them off. And I changed the plugs from an 8 to a 10. And these plugs are brand new, you see how they're burning. But anyway, I put some 10s in it, gapped at 32. Checked the timing. Previous run it was 14 degrees of timing at wide open throttle, 15.5 pounds. Now it should be 16 degrees of timing at the same boost level. So we'll see what kind of power it makes. Stop block. All right, I'm back from Josh's house, the underground garage. Let me get all my stuff turned on here. Overall successful day. Car made the most power it's ever made. Ended up feeding some timing into it. What we found out was about 5400 it would break up. At first I thought it was spark. We checked the data log and it's actually run out of fuel pressure. So it runs out of fuel pressure. The computer compensates by trying to open the injectors longer and basically makes it stumble a little bit. So we decided to make another pull, basically turn it to 5200 and I added more timing to it. So essentially when I dynoed it previously, I had 14 degrees of timing at wide open throttle. For the first pull we started out, I had, what was it, 17 degrees of timing. I'm sorry, 16 degrees of timing. And that's when it cut out a little bit, but it made pretty much the same power before and pulled to 5200 roughly. It made like 567. So I put 2 more degrees in it. So instead of 16, now it's 18 degrees, and 18 degrees basically picked up 30 horsepower today and didn't even turn it to 6,000 where it normally peaks at, shift at 5200. So car makes really good power, and that's in the heat of the day. I had an ice bag on, an old school way of getting the air inlet cooler, and it made a difference in the torque line. All the way from down low, it made more torque. So I'll put the graphs on here. He's got to email them to me, and I'll lay it out so you can see it, but just wanted to share with you. The car makes a lot of power, runs super strong. I backed it back down. I put the timing back down to where it's only like 15, 16 degrees of timing now out on the street. And what we identified is the 465 liter per hour pump just can't keep up at this level. So once I got to the 540, 550 level on the 85, that 465 just ain't enough. So I need to do is put a Hellcat pump in it or a booster pump. The Hellcat pump's probably easier. Drop a tank, put a pump in it. If you notice my last videos of a few months ago on this car, I just changed the fuel pump and it's a legit Walbro 465. But either way, that's where we're at. So hope you like the content. Let me know if any questions. We'll talk to you soon. Oh, before I forget, thinking about selling the car. Got so many projects here, as you can tell. So I can option it 2 ways. One, just like it is turnkey, 347 engine supercharger, 500 and roughly 75 horsepower. Or I can option it with a different motor and with or without supercharger type of thing. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll throw out some prices. Talk to you soon.